Have you ever felt the tug-of-war within yourself, the dance between light and shadow, chaos and order, love and fear? This intricate interplay is the essence of spiritual duality, a timeless concept woven into the fabric of our existence. Welcome back to our journey of self-discovery and exploration of the unseen realms. Today, we'll delve into the profound depths of spiritual duality, uncovering how opposing forces aren't just at odds but are complementary threads that create the tapestry of life. Duality is everywhere. Day and night, birth and death, joy and sorrow, they are pairs that define each other. Without darkness, would we truly appreciate the light? In many spiritual traditions, duality isn't about conflict, but about balance. The ancient Taoist symbol of Yin and Yang teaches us that within every darkness there's a seed of light, and within every light, a hint of darkness. They're not enemies but partners in an eternal cosmic dance. Let's turn our gaze inward. Inside each of us lies a spectrum of emotions and thoughts. We've all experienced kindness and cruelty, courage and fear. Acknowledging this internal duality is the first step toward wholeness. Carl Jung, the renowned psychologist, introduced the concept of the shadow self, the parts of ourselves we suppress or deny. Embracing our shadow doesn't mean giving in to negativity, it means understanding and integrating all aspects of our being. Consider the harmony in music. Without the contrast of different notes and rhythms, there would be no melody. Similarly, our lives gain depth through the balance of opposing experiences. In Hindu philosophy, Shiva and Shakti represent the masculine and feminine energies of the universe. Their union is the source of creation, symbolizing how dual forces come together to birth something new and beautiful. So, how can we embrace spiritual duality in our daily lives? First, mindful awareness. Start by observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Recognize when opposing feelings arise and see them as opportunities for growth. Second, shadow work. Journal about aspects of yourself you find challenging. What triggers you? What do you suppress? Bringing these into the light reduces their unconscious influence. Third, seek balance. Engage in activities that harmonize your energies. Yoga balances body and mind, while meditation unites thought and silence. On a larger scale, embracing duality can foster compassion and understanding in a divided world. When we see that differing opinions and cultures are part of a greater whole, we can move beyond conflict toward unity. As the Dalai Lama once said, we can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace with ourselves. Duality is not a battle to be won, but a balance to be nurtured. By embracing both sides of the coin, we open ourselves to a fuller, richer experience of life. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. If this resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the depths of spirituality. I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you experience duality in your life? Share in the comments below. In our next video, we'll delve into the transformative power of embracing uncertainty and how it can lead to spiritual growth. Stay tuned for more enlightening discussions.